ha ka jing sokhya chong ka jingkiu ka jingpang coronavirus ha baro ka wei ka parthei ulampang ka yeng do ba thau ain ka jalao ba met pa ling do menta ka sngi ula ong ba kani ka kanti ka de yengi baro bania trelang bania khun persha yo covid-19 ulampang ka jalao ulakren ya kani ha shwa bun punwai ka yeng do ba thau ain ha ka sipale da ka bawla kuntu ya baro kemelia ba kin pen saprang ka khobor holo new virus but ba kidon kam ban pen shai pai ba khnang ma kin la bania da nau ni khunyang jingpang.
Honorable members, before I adjourn the House, just want to remind you that on 16th of March 2020, we had discussed the gravity of the deadly disease of coronavirus. Today, I would like to make a kind of statement in the form of an appeal that as of March 2020, the outbreak of coronavirus disease, COVID-19, has been declared as a public health emergency of international concern. And the virus has spread to many countries and territories. On the threat of this virus, I, Shri Medbalindo, would like to urge upon all the honorable members of this House, the officials and media persons present in this August House to stand as one to fight against COVID-19, which has been described as a pandemic by the World Health Organization. In this regard, I do request all members to lead and to spread the awareness to our fellow citizens not to be panicked and to take unprecedented steps to protect the people of the state from the spread of this disease. Education can encourage all of us to become advocates for disease prevention and control at home, at work, and in the community by talking to others about how to prevent the spread of the viruses. While this virus continues to spread, it is important that the government and we as legislators take action to prevent further transmission, reduce the impact of the outbreak, and support control measures, as measures are the only solution to prevent the entry and spread of COVID-19.